Your house boasts views of endless skies and colorful sunsets. Roaming the skies on the floating island, you live alongside friends who are eager to explore. Life is carefree and peaceful. Until that one day when the land beneath you trembled. Luminous cave collapsed. The magic stone shattered. The single source of the island's energy extinguished overnight. In this 3D graphics class, will you join the mission and unravel the clues? Build new bridges and walk on uncharted islands. Decipher the mystery lying within the ancient ruins. Construct a multi-tiered building and ultimately restore energy to the residents of floating islands. If you are a brave explorer and curious about the world of Blender 3D, this course is for you. If you're a complete beginner, you will be able to follow my directions. If you have previous experience, you will expand your toolkit while developing an artistic sense. Either way, your visual communication, spatial intelligence, and problem-solving skills will thrive. In this course, you will learn about extrusion, loop cuts, bevel, mesh painting, inset faces, light-emitting materials, and other modeling techniques and tools. You'll also practice using modifiers, select modes, viewport modes, and efficient navigation methods. Take your interest in Blender 3D to the next level as you cultivate your artistic vision. This is a flex class with 5 pre-recorded video lessons. Each week, you will be assigned a task, which you are to submit in the classroom page. I will support you and provide feedback along the way. So, do you have what it takes to help the residents escape the power crisis? Join this exciting mission and help re-energize our floating dreamland.